Changing the air filter in this 2026 Kia Niro hybrid vehicle is incredibly easy. Start by popping the hood. To do that, come down here and pull this. This is a no tools required job, which is excellent. With the car off, and you need to be positive that the car is off, doing that is simple. Just have the key in your pocket. Come up to this, and that's so you don't get shocked, by the way. There's 4 snaps around the perimeter of this case. So again, look for where it says hybrid, find these snaps, and each one of them will come undone like this. And then you can remove the whole lid, put that aside. And then there is your air filter there. You can see, because this car is brand new, so is the filter. It does not need to be changed. But this lifts right out. So you take your new filter. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to purchase the proper filter for this car. You make sure that it's the flat side down and the curved part up, and you just lay it in there like that. Make sure that's in perfect. And then now you simply reverse the process, put the panel back on, and then do the snaps. That's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And again, the link to purchase the filter is in the description.